Yes. 오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to 밥시 home cooking channel. Today I will cook hot stew. You know Korean style. Korean name is 짜글이. Yes, and we use pork, P-O-R-K. Yes, my pronunciation is not so good. And the onion and potato, green onion and hot this paprika and garlic, and we have this Korean style red pepper sauce and red pepper, you know, like this. And then now ingredients finished because our Bobby here so much now noise I forgot. Okay, then I will start. Yes, we put a little bit this black pepper and then this soybean sauce like this much. Wow, this much. And then you know this Korea, this red sauce, you know, mix. Nice. And we put a little red pepper. Yes. Mix. Nice. You know, this my cooking is very, very simple. If another people they put something in the meat for something another spicy thing, but me if can only natural. Yes, we fry this one first. Fry. Ten minutes later, start to fry. We put the onion, garlic, potato, we put water. Yes, it's okay. And then we close the cap and we waiting until boil. We put green, very hot, very spicy paprika and the green onion. Yes. Yes. Ready! Looks so very delicious. Looks so delicious. Wow.